Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. I hope you are all doing well. I welcome you all in a new course, Number Theory. My name is Azmat Ali and currently I am working as a lecturer in mathematics at Government Shalimar Graduate College, Baghbanpura, Lahore, Pakistan. In this playlist, you can find 13 distinct areas of mathematics. Inshallah, that we will cover step by step. That areas includes number one, elementary number theory. The second one is algebraic number theory. Third one is analytic number theory. Fourth one is geometric number theory. Fifth one is computational number theory. Sixth one is transcendental number theory. Seventh one is additive number theory. Eighth one is multiplicative number theory. Ninth is modular form. 10th one is probabilistic number theory. And 11th one is analytic combinatorics and number theory. 12th one is algebraic combinatoric and number theory. And the last one is arithmetic geometry number theory. Now, some well-renowned, well-respected books that can be helpful during our course, that can be used. For elementary number theory, we can follow the book of David M. Burton. This is very well respected and well-renowned book for undergraduate level students. Or the other book for elementary number theory written by Ivan Niven and Herbert Zuckerman can be used. For algebraic number theory, we can follow the book of Serdi Lang. For analytic number theory, we can use the book of Tom M. Apostle. Fourth one, for geometric number theory, we will follow book of Carl Ludwig Siegel. For computational number theory, you can follow the book of David Bresau and Steenwagen. And transcendental number theory, we can use the book of Alan Baker. For probabilistic number theory, book of PDTE Elliott can be followed. For additive number theory, Melvin B. Nathanson can be followed. For multiplicative number theory, you can follow the book of Harlot Davenport, Algebraic Combinatorics in number theory by Krishna Aladi, Analytic Combinatorics in number theory can be followed by Philip Flageolet and Robert Sedgwick. For Arithmetic Geometry in Algebraic Combinatoric in number theory, we will use the book or we will follow Gary Cornell and Joseph H. Silverman. And the last, for the modular form, we can follow a book whose title is A Classical and a Computational Introduction by Henry Cohen and Frederick. So these are the 13 areas that inshallah we will cover. Although I now to cover all of these areas is a significant task, especially when each area is itself a deep subject. But I am confident, inshallah, with some dedication and hard work, we will cover all of these areas with a brief discussion. Actually, I love mathematics, and in mathematics, I love number theory very much. I am passionate about number theory. With some struggle, with some hard work, everything is possible. I will deliver my lecture with from very basic level, because uh, some of you may have a mathematics as their minor subject, or might not have a strong background in mathematics. So we will begin this journey from elementary number theory, and step by step we will move towards the advanced topics. So from your side, I only want your prayers, your motivation, your encouragement to complete this a long journey. So, inshallah, in the next lecture, we will discuss properly, we will start properly lecture on elementary number theory. And the last one, if you have any question, any query, you can comment me. Inshallah, I will reply you. Otherwise, my personal contact number and my mail address is available. This is my personal number. You can WhatsApp me or message me at this number, uh, and or you can mail me at this my Gmail address. Inshallah, I will reply you. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.